Hello and welcome to this edition of Maxim Foods Inside Track. We'll kick things off with full cream milk powder. Full cream milk powder, against everyone's expectations, remained steady last night, so it proves that it's a really finely balanced market. Demand, surprisingly, is still quite strong, and supply going into the winter season in New Zealand and Australia is still quite short. So yeah, like we all thought that the coronavirus impact would really shake things up, it hasn't really had that effect, so pricing remains quite firm on whole milk powder. Moving across to skim milk powder, everyone predicted, like whole milk powder, that skim milk powder pricing last night would fall off a cliff, but this wasn't the case. It was down 3.2%, but expectations were a lot larger than that. Basically in the US, the CME or futures market is at its lowest for non-fat powders that it has been in 5 months, so that's putting a bit of pressure on global pricing. We still think that skim in the 3 to 6 month outlook could be easing in price. Having a look at butterfat, butter remained, like skim and whole milk, remained pretty steady last night on GDT. There is European product available at the start of their season. They have their own challenges though. The European manufacturers, reefer containers are hard to come by and expensive, and also the exchange rate making it quite expensive. We probably see as a 3 to 6 month outlook for butter that it will remain neutral. It was interesting to note on the GDT, the April contracts were up 6%, so it just proves that people are sort of buying hand to mouth, and there's probably still a bit cautious of the market. Having a look at cheese, US availability of cheese is improving, which could put some pressure on global pricing. We did see a dip in GDT of over 4% there last night on New Zealand cheddar. Interesting one though, it is still in short supply in Australia and NZ, so it still is hard to come by, so pricing will remain firm. Also, if people are panic buying cheese off the retail shelves, they could pick up a couple of kilos along with their 50 pack of toilet paper, so who knows, we could see a real shortage. Finishing off with whey, whey powder remains quite firm. Whey proteins is on the up. We're seeing some firmer pricing out of the US and EU. Demand seems quite stable on this, so in terms of a 3 to 6 month outlook, yeah, we think it'll track sideways, if not go up. Thanks very much for tuning in. Stay safe, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks.